Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin ETFs shed $2.1 billion in outflows during June as macroeconomic headwinds intensify and institutional blockchain adoption accelerates, with Tether leading a $1.4 billion Series C for German robotics firm Neura. Bitcoin currently trades at $63,635, recovering from lows below $60,000 earlier this week after President Trump signaled progress toward ending the Iran conflict. Ethereum sits at $1,673, Solana at $66.74, and XRP at $1.14 following institutional buying. US spot Bitcoin ETFs experienced $2.1 billion in June outflows following May's $2.4 billion decline. Net assets dropped from $109 billion to $77 billion as Bitcoin fell 27% from its May peak. Analysts attribute outflows to leveraged arbitrage unwinding, capital rotation toward AI equities and tech IPOs, and macro pressures including elevated inflation at 4.2% annually. On the institutional adoption front, Tether reportedly led a $1.4 billion Series C for German robotics firm Neura, with backing from Nvidia and Amazon. Neura plans to produce 5 million AI-powered humanoid robots by 2030, each equipped with independent digital wallets powered by USDT stablecoin. Separately, MasterCard launched Agent Pay for Machines, enabling AI agents to make autonomous payments via stablecoins in partnership with Coinbase, Ripple, and Solana. Ripple and Bitso expanded their partnership to upgrade the $60 billion US-Mexico payment corridor. Bitso's regulated Mexican peso-backed stablecoin will be issued on the XRP ledger and integrated into Ripple's payments infrastructure. Bitso currently processes over $82 billion in annualized transaction volume. Law enforcement dismantled the Audi A6 cryptocurrency laundering network, arresting 2 senior administrators in Georgia. The network processed approximately 10,333 Bitcoin valued at $389 million since 2021. Authorities from the U.S. Secret Service, IRS, and international partners coordinated the takedown using blockchain analytics. The Clarity Act faces a critical Senate deadline with only 16 legislative days remaining before the August recess. CFTC Chairman Michael Selig emphasized the bill must pass to establish permanent regulatory clarity. However, banking industry opposition led by JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon over stablecoin deposit provisions continues slowing progress. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.